Hi, welcome. I am Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. I am a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. I am conducting hypnotic seminars all over the world in last 41 years and more than 500,000 people attend my live training program and become successful, and I have created a lot of videos, audios and ebooks available on my website. And now my friend, there is a very special announcement. Do you want to influence others? Do you want to learn hypnotic influence and persuasion? My friend, I am conducting a WhatsApp workshop. You can learn this from your home. I am conducting a WhatsApp workshop which is going to start from 26 March 2019 for 10 days. Now this workshop, you will learn 20 powerful hypnotic words for influence and persuasion. These words are very powerful. You will learn these words in the workshop easily, naturally and effortlessly, and learn with examples how to use them in your day-to-day life and become more powerful. And then you will learn 5 words, negative words to avoid in persuasion. Yes, we use a lot of negative words, and these 5 words which are very common, we use all the time in our talking to others, persuading others. You will learn and identify these 5 words, plus you will learn how to change them so that you can become successful in your persuasion. So my friend, if you are in sales, marketing or influencing and negotiation, this is the course for you. People have been asking me about this course for a long time, and I was not able to do it because of the time constraint. So now I decided to do this course right now, and it will be a WhatsApp course. That means, and it will be for 10 days, and every day you will get at least 1 to 3 lessons, and you will get all these words, and step by step you will learn by doing it. And it's a WhatsApp course, so you don't need to come anywhere. You can learn it from home. Now the investment for this course is normally, when we do conduct this kind of workshop and teach in the workshop, it is around more than 5,000 rupees. But right now, as a WhatsApp, because we don't need to come all over, I don't need to go and teach somewhere, we'll give you a very special discount rate. This is only 1,000 rupees plus 180 GST. So that means on 1180 you will get this 10-day course on hypnotic persuasion and influence using 20 powerful hypnotic words and 5 negative words to avoid. You will learn how to do it. So my friend, if you really want to become a powerful persuasion and influence others, this is the course for you. If you are in sales, you can use it. You can in marketing, you can use it. If you just need to give a talk and influence others and sell something, you can use this technique, which is very powerful, and you will learn by doing it in the course. We'll send you a lesson every day, and each lesson, each word will have a lot of examples, then you practice it and learn it. So if you really want to learn it, click on the link below and register right now. This course may not happen again because I don't have a time to create more courses like this. So register right now, and the course will start on 26 March. You get your first lesson on 26 March. So register right now and see you soon personally in the future. Thank you.